bitch on that beat going crazy.
Hey, do you want to learn how to apply motion tracking to your video in Filmora X? Then stay with me, I'll show you how. Hey, welcome to VC Creator Secret Tutorials. Before we get started, if you're new here, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I publish new tutorials every week. For more unique, awesome videos like this, check the links in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, let's get started. First of all, drag down your video to the timeline. The video you're going to use for motion tracking. Now go through the video and choose the right place where you want the tracking to begin. Alright, let's choose somewhere here. Now then click on start tracking, that icon, then go to the screen and adjust it. Adjust the tracking box, the subject you want to track. And the next thing you need to do is to click on start tracking and wait for the tracking to do its magic. Now you can see it on the screen, it's tracking its. Now when it's done, we need something to link it to what we want it to track. So we're going to use a text. So drag down the text to the timeline. Double click on it and make some changes. Now I'm going to change this to probably just tracking. You can write whatever you want. So you can change the fonts, the color, and just make it just the way you want it. Alright, when you're done, the next thing we need to do is to link it. Now we need to link it to, so double click on the video and click on this and choose the object you want to link it to. So we're linking it to the text. So now click OK and let's see what we have. That's it, you did it. Click on play and see what we have. So that's motion tracking. That's the simplest way of applying it, and you can apply it to your video. So this brings us to the end of the video. So if you enjoy these tips and tricks, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more awesome. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy this video and find it valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so I can keep making them. For more awesome and unique videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also be sure to check out my other videos on this channel as well. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I love it. Be sure to watch the videos on the screen that we handpicked for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.